Hello everyone, take a yellow paper cutting and paste it on the sheet. Now put the white color paper in the between, make the eyes of it using the clay like this, put the black color clay in the between, make its mouth using the black marker like this, make its nose. Now put the white color clay to make its teeth, draw the lines on the white part of its body, make some dots around it like this. Now we will make some blue color dots and patterns. So here we are making a dinosaur. Put some blue clay balls on the back of it like this and it's ready. Next, take a white sheet and make 4 boxes on it and fill it with different colors as shown in the video. Put the blue, yellow, pink and green color in each box like this. After you are done with it, we will decorate it like this using the earbuds. Spread it from the sides. Use different earbuds for each box. Now put the white color clay in the between as shown in the video to make its eyes. So here we are making different monster faces. Draw their horns and mouth like this and it's ready. Next, take a sheet and draw the face of a human on it. Now to make its hair, we will take the black color clay, roll it like this and then put it one by one over the head to make its hairs. Make these spiral lines like this and it's ready. Next, take a sheet and take the clay like this and make the rainbow. Now put different colors like this using different clays, make the lines and fix it. Now put it over the sheet. Now put the white color balls of the clay on the sides to make the clouds. Put it one by one. Now take a red color clay ball and draw the lines like this on it using the spatula. Make a space like this. Give it a shape by making a heart. Put it over the rainbow and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take a green sheet and draw the circles on it using the sketch pen like this. Now we will draw the lines on it inside it using dark green color and then take the red color paper, put some dots inside it. Now cut them out and paste it over the sheet. Fold the watermelon like this and put the red color paper over the yellow peach like this. Now paste them after folding it together. Now paste them one by one over the green sheet and your watermelons are ready. I hope you liked it. Now take a white color sheet and then draw the pink color line on the side and the black dots in the between. Now tear the papers like this. Now paste them one by one. Put the green color dots on the sides. Draw the ladders like this as shown in the video. Now draw the ants using the black color marker like this. Draw the circles. Draw its legs like this. Now make some ants more around the watermelons or dragon fruit we must say. And it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take a sheet and then draw the different shapes on it like this and color it using dark pink color like this. Put the little bit of light pink color on the bottom section of it. After that, fill the color inside the each shapes in the same manner as shown in the video. Now, after coloring it, we will cut them out using the scissor. Paste them over the black sheet. Now, take the green paper and cut it out in the shape of the leaf like this and paste them like this. Now, take a brown color clay, put it over it and make some dots on it and your peaches are ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will take a blue color sheet like this and paste the brown sheet over it and draw the black lines using the marker as shown in the video. Now cut it out and paste it and it's ready.